Hi guys. So let me just first tell you about the problem statement which I just have solved. So we were having like one of our client is having this kind of data, this kind of screenshot and this kind of serial number they were tracking in a Google sheet, and they were doing that manually. Like one person is writing this all the serial numbers which are here in a Google sheet, and for a single image it was taking around 5 to 8 minutes for a single image, and they were having around 25 to 20 images and in a single truck, and they were having multiple warehouses, and it was taking a lot of time, and there were also multiple manual errors were happening. So I like we just have created a workflow for them, like with the help of AI. So they just have to take a screenshot of the serial numbers, and they can take multiple screenshots at the same time. Like for example, in this first image and in the second image, you can see, and they just have to go on this dashboard which is over here, and they just have to select that it is an inward part or outward part, and after that they just have to select the SKU and the warehouses and the invoice number they just have to select and the date of inward. So let's say it was 30th of this month, and they just have to paste the images over here. So they are having two options, so that they can just paste the images or they can upload all the files. So they can just simply paste the images over here, and they can paste multiple images at the same time. You can see the images over here, and once they click on process with serial number, once they will click on process with serial numbers, the process will gonna start and it will be showing over here, and it will like will be taking less than a minute to complete, and they just have to wait for it. And in the extraction part, they will be getting the images which they just have sent and all the serial numbers in a CSV format. So let me just pause till the time when till the time it is completed. So yeah, now it's done, and once it is done, you can see they can see this open result folder, and once they click on this folder, a new tab will gonna open, and here they can find all the images which they have uploaded. All the images has been compiled in a single PDF so that they can view it easily, and also here is the CSV which they can see, and also there is a database sheet which they can see all of the serial numbers which have been extracted. And let me talk you about the annotant part, the backend part, which is over here. So in the webhook, this is the webhook which is getting hitted when the person is clicking on the process option. It is getting uploaded in the PDF kit option. Then with the help of Gemini API, we are extracting the code, we are extracting the serial number, and after that we are like separating them out, and all the number extraction has been done, and we are appending the rows in a Google sheet with all the serial numbers, and CSV data has been recorded. And also at the same time we are creating the folder in a Google Drive so that it is very easy for us to organize the data. And once the PDF is uploaded in the drive, here we are like merging all of the data into a single folder. And once that is done, with the response webhook, we are just responding back on this with the URL of the folder. Yeah, so that was the process we just have automated. And also in this we are having like day, both the options, or like day and a night, like light mode on this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. See you.